Alright everybody, how's it going? We're back and doing something I was not really expecting to be doing today. Did not really expect to be buying a bike when I woke up today. I saw a deal posted up that was a pretty good deal. I've been looking for a 252 stroke for a while, so I'm gonna go check the bike out. If everything checks out good, I'll jump on it. But we're gonna take a look at it. It's a 2018 YZ250. It's not like a brand new condition bike or anything, but it does look like it's in pretty good condition. Has some cool aftermarket parts on it, like a pipe, and I think it might have some suspension work done to it. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna go check it out, and I'll keep y'all posted. So as you guys know, I did sell my YZ250. It was a 2014 YZ250F. I sold that back in around February, and I've been just really on the hunt for a new bike. I've really kind of had my eyes on a 252 stroke because my brother has one, and I do really like how they feel. But yeah, I've always really wanted the 252 stroke just because I've had a 125 before. It's actually like one of my first actual big bike race bikes. I went from like I think I went from like an 85cc to, at one point I had like a TTR 125, and then I think I went from that TTR 125 to the YZ 125. I might have had the two at the same time, honestly. I can't even remember, it's been a while. But I like the Yamaha two strokes, I really do. So I'm hyped to check this out, and let's go ahead and get over there. Finally about 10 minutes out from the dude's place, so gonna get to checking it out. And he said apparently it's storming pretty bad. I can see it's not looking pretty over there, but yeah, we'll check it out and see if we get it. All right, we are like a half mile away, and of course it's freaking pouring. I don't know what it is with me getting bikes and it pouring, but I have this little rain suit I keep in my car that stays in this little pouch, so I'm gonna throw this on real quick, and I'll get up with you guys after we take a look. All right, y'all see that back there? Whoop. We did just pick her up, boys. Like I said, it was raining. The bike looks really fresh though. It was raining, so that kind of sucked, but the bike looked really fresh though. Got brand new front and rear tires, it looks like. Chain sprockets look like they were just about brand new, and I only rode it in his yard, so I didn't really get to open it up too much, but that thing felt powerful and it seemed to run really good too. So I'm stoked on it, can't wait to get it home. I think we're gonna try to give it a little first ride in this video, a quick little first ride at least. So here in a minute we'll get you a better look at the bike, and hopefully a first ride as well. So I'm happy though. All right, everybody, well, here it is, my new bike. It's a 2018 YZ250. I think it's pretty clean. Obviously it's been used, but I think it's a really clean bike. I haven't really got to ride it much. We're gonna get a first little rip on it here in a few minutes, but I'm super pumped on this thing. I'm so happy to have a new track bike, and this thing is an absolute ripper. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rip this thing. I'm sweating my ass off just standing here, so let's get on the bike and throw the GoPro on. All right, let's freaking rip this thing. It seems to be a pretty well taken care of bike, from what I can see so far. The pipe's a little bit rusty, which happens on those big two-stroke pipes pretty easily, but I think with the Brillo pad and some work, I can clean it up a good bit, honestly. And one other thing I did notice, or actually my brother noticed, is this looks like it's a tire for a 125. It's a little bit skinnier. I couldn't tell when I was picking it up, but putting it next to his tire on his 252 stroke, it's definitely a little bit skinnier, but it's still like a brand new tire. So I'm gonna rock the heck out of it until it's done, but shouldn't be a big issue at all. One thing I'm gonna have to get back in the swing of is turning the fuel on and off when I'm done with it. My last bike was a YZ250F 2014, so it was fuel injected, but yeah, this thing's a monster. Let's get on it. So I just came out here to some local trails real close to my house, and I got a few loops out here. Gonna hit it a few times, not stay out for too long, just get a little feel of it and see what we got ourselves into. So let's see if she starts right up. Oh yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how well you can hear my voice. And yes, I did already warm it up at the truck. Woo! Holy cow. Man, this thing rips. It's running so good right now. Oh man, just riding this thing around, I'm so happy with it. This is really exactly what I had in mind when I sold my 250F. It just took a few months to find a good deal on one and finally get one, so I'm so pumped to actually have this thing now. And another thing on my old 250F that I had was the suspension was just never that good. The rear shock was kind of fine, but the front shock, like if I was just sitting here and boom like that, like it wouldn't even compress. So that suspension was pretty shot, and that's just another plus to this new bike. This suspension seems like it's done up pretty well and pretty mint right now, so we'll have to test it once we get to the track, but seems like it's gonna be pretty nice for the track. Well, that's going to be about do it for this one, guys. I just wanted to come out here and get a very, very quick rip on this thing just to see how it felt, and I'm super, super pleased with it. It's a really nice bike, it seems like. So This will be really fun. Let me know if you guys are excited to see content on this. I know most of the people on my channel like the dual sport, the KLX 300 stuff. That's why they're here, and I get that. I'll still be pumping that out mainly, but this will be, you know, during the weekend and everything. When we go to a riding spot or go to a track, we'll whip both of them out. So let me know if you guys like seeing content on this 252 stroke, because it is a blast to ride for sure. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and also drop a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.